Do you want to know how you can log into your steve.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your steve.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for steve.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of steve.ai. You can log in using your Google, Facebook, or your email address. So go ahead and write down your email address, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can sign in using your email address in steve.ai. Now, you can hide or unhide the password by clicking on this icon, which is the eye icon. And if in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. Go ahead and write down your email address, click continue, and then you will be sent a mail by steve.ai from which you can change your password once again. If you want to skip all of this and want to do a hassle-free sign in, go ahead and click on Google or Facebook. Choose your Google account, click continue to sign in with AnyMaker. And then in a while you can see that you will be logged into your steve.ai account. I hope this video about how you can log into your steve.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.